Are you ready for some DIYs? Hey guys, welcome to Tiffany J Inspired. I'm so glad you guys decided to join me. Please click the red box below and subscribe to my new YouTube page. So guys, today I'm going to my local Dollar Tree and I'll be back to show you how to do a gift basket for under $15. Something that you can give to your boss, your co-worker, or your sister, your mother, your best friend's mother, your best friend's sister, your dog sitter, your babysitter. So guys, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to do a gift basket for $15 or under. I'm actually going to do a 3-part video. I'm going to show you how to do one for women, which is this video. I'm going to do another one for children, men, and probably a Christmas basket as well. But yeah, I want to show you how to do a quality basket so it doesn't seem like you purchased your items from Dollar Tree. So I'm excited for you to see everything that I purchased. Hey guys, the first item that I'm going to show you is this You Do You Girl mug. I thought this was so cute. This would be perfect for someone who loves coffee and tea, or someone in general who just loves a cute mug. I've seen this mug many other places for way more than $1. It's dishwasher and microwave safe, so I thought it was such a great deal. So the next item that I purchased was this tumbler. I call it the affirmation tumbler. It has really cute sayings on it. Be your own hero, trust yourself, be happy, and just like the mug, you do you, girl. So I thought this was a really good deal. I've seen this at my other favorite dollar spots for $3 and $5 a piece. So getting it for $1, I just had to grab it. This journal is a favorite of mine. It says your wounds and your imperfections are your beauty, and I thought it was a really cute gift. I couldn't believe they had the Kiss Gel Strong nail polish at my location. I've seen these online and in other stores for $2 and $3 a piece. I'm going to show you which colors I purchased. So I fell in love with this pink burgundy color. I thought it would look really cute against someone's skin tone all year round. It's called Feminine, and it was just really pretty, and I just had to get it. Second color that I picked up was this light purple. It's called Routine. I actually got the colors that look good on my skin, but there were so many to choose from. I'm actually going to show you in the next clip the rest of the colors that they had at my location. Your location could probably have more. I absolutely love this to-go reusable coffee mug. They had so many other styles to choose from. This next item is not an essential, but I had to grab it because it was so pretty. It's this cup sleeve. It goes from pink to silver just with a swipe of the hand. They had so many other colors to choose from. So in the next few items, I'm just going to keep it short, but these socks are really warm and really fuzzy, and they're really cute for just lounging around the house. purchased this pail from the Dollar Tree. You've probably seen it in the floral department, but in silver. I just took some spray paint and just painted it pink to give it a new look. So as you can see, I put the curly ribbon at the bottom, and I actually stuffed one of the mugs with it to give it a different look. I think it looks really pretty instead of using tissue paper. And it looks really full this way as well. You play around with it a few times to get the assortment that you want for all of your product, and I think it came out really cute. I'm going to show you the finished product in the next upcoming video.